Hey guys, I'm gonna do, first of all, I am very blessed and grateful that I have a skill that I can trade in order to get stuff that I want. So I'm gonna be doing several unboxing and sort of like review of some equipment that I'm using as a drummer and as a, I guess, an influencer, because some of the stuff I use is for my yoga business. But today, what I'm going to be unboxing is this bad boy, Alesis Surge special edition. This is the 8-piece electronic drum kit with the mesh heads. So I'm in a room upstairs in a business where I can't be that loud often. And so, take you over here. There is my other drum set. I know I gotta put it away. It's so sad. Just for a little bit though, so I can learn how to play this Alesis, because I'm trying to do some work with some musicians who live kind of far away, and we can't get together that much. So, with the beauty of technology, we're able to communicate with each other and write music, which is super fun and super exciting for me, because I'm old school. I'm an old school musician, so I'm used to getting together with people and playing, creating that way. And this to me is growth as a musician. It's allowing me to expand my horizons and make some super badass music. So I'm excited. So hang with me. I'm going to show you a time lapse of how to put this thing together. Hopefully it won't take me too long. And then eventually some videos. So let me know if you have any videos of like cover songs or anything that you want me to do. Yeah, I'm excited. I had to take a second here to comment on how all these things are so nice and labeled. So hopefully that'll help me in the putting together process. But I am not going to be using their kick pedal because I'm a double bass player. So that'll be interesting to kind of figure out how that works. And yeah, anyways, I just want to comment on like how nicely packed this was. It was not easy carrying upstairs, so I had to get help with that. But yeah, 2-person job. Okay, so I got everything unboxed except for the kick pedal, because I am not going to be using that, but I want to show you kind of everything that came in that big ass box. So I got the expansion pack, so there's going to be 4 of the pads, the drum pads. There's a module, and then there's 3 cymbals, the kick pedal, the kick pad, and then that will be the hi-hat stand. And then all these little brackets, I didn't take them out of the bags yet, just in case I needed to know which ones were which. But yeah, that's pretty much everything that comes in it. And I'm making this video because I watched a shit ton of other videos, because I was curious of what the quality of these drums are going to be, because you're spending $500 on these things. So as a mid-grade drum set, I think it's important for people to know what they're getting quality-wise, and if it's going to be good enough for their situation. Okay, I think I finally got it mostly together. Kind of the way that I play it. Took me about 45 minutes. And as you can see, like, this was expansion. I'm trying to figure out where the module goes though, because either I'm missing a piece or it just hooks on some other special way. But I did want to show you something. This is the module. And on this module, you have all the hookups, the MIDI, the USB, all the extras, the aux in, and then you have the capability to put headphones in. So yeah, once I figure out where to mount this bad boy, I'm gonna hook it up and then I'll show you what I got. Okay, I got it together, I think. Finally figured out that it had to move some brackets around, but overall it's pretty compact. Definitely gonna have to get used to playing it. This is kind of what my pedal situation looks like now. I think I'm gonna have to get different beaters. And yeah. Oh, and it didn't come with the stool, so you have to have one of those already. Yeah, let's see what it sounds like now.